you about the out of sync on L28. I've got a trencher attached to the attachment. Right now everything is in sync. You can see that the trencher attachment is pointing up. Everything is equal between the telescopic and the leveling cylinder. I'll show you here when it gets out of sync what it looks like. So I'm going to throttle up. To get them to go out of sync really easily, all it is a lot of quick jerky movements. We see the trencher, it'll start to lower down, and then you'll get customer complaints where the bucket won't roll all the way back, or like forks, well, they'll lose their load. So here we go. So there you can see it roll back. We'll do it again here. So you can get it severely out of sync. Get it severely out of sync by giving it a short little burst like that. Right now you can see that the trencher attachment, you can't see the trencher, so it's angled down, but I've got the tilt. Run the tilt up. You see here I've got the tilt all the way up, and that trencher bar is just about touching the ground. So what you need to do is to go back to full throttle and run the telescopic over relief, which is your left hand button here. Here you go. Watch it go. You're back in sync. Like I said, you'll get complaints of forks dumping the load, or like a bucket, you won't be able to roll all the way back. And this is the easiest way to do it, is to run it over relief so that it corrects itself. The heavier the attachment, the more often it'll do it. See, it would come back, and it should move a little bit here too. Right there at the end, it was getting itself back into sync. That's all I have for today. Thank you.